Now, before we move ahead, we've just launched the TCS NQT course, which has 175 plus hours of course content. It completes the whole syllabus for the foundational section and also the advanced coding section. The best part is we've also partnered with TCS Ion, so you'll get one certification from TCS Ion in the skill of your choice and also certifications from Prepinsta as well. The TCS NQT course is also included in the Prepinsta Prime subscription, in which you get 150 plus other courses like C, C++, Java, Python, data structures, competitive coding, skills like artificial intelligence, machine learning. Pretty amazing. The link is in the description of the video. I recommend you to check out. You'll surely love it.
Hey guys, welcome to the new video. So in this video, we'll be discussing logical questions and answers for TCS. So as you know, TCS will be hiring very soon. So in this session, we'll be covering all the questions from different topics like data arrangement and the questions which came in previous years. So let's directly start with our session. So the very first question over here is, there are 9 sports persons belonging to 3 different categories. Now, the first category is players ACE, second category is athlete BDF, and the third is wrestler GHJ. Now, the question is, a team of 3 has to be selected with 1 sport person from each category subject to following conditions. Okay, now they have given some following conditions. Let's see those conditions. The first condition is A and H will always be together. Okay. Now, the second condition is C cannot be paired with G or F. And the third condition is E and J will always be together, but E cannot go with B. Okay guys, so as I told you, this problem is from previous year TCS paper. So when we talk about TCS, these people put problem in such a way so that people can solve the problem in shortcut also, because there are more number of questions and we have to clear the cutoff. So our main motive is to find the shortcut approach of solving this problem. So I will tell the shortcut approach directly how we can solve this problem in few seconds. Okay, let's directly hit to our question over here. Now, which of the following can be an acceptable team? So whenever there is a problem in which they are asking which of the following can be acceptable team, that means we have to look for the options and go with elimination method. Elimination method means eliminate the options which you find wrong, then you will come up with your right answer. Okay, let's see. So let's start with any hidden trial and let's go with D. Suppose let's check D can be answer or not. Okay, D is saying A, B and G. Now check our condition. A, B and G. Okay, so it's written over here A, B and G. Now A is from players, fine. B is from athlete and G is from wrestler. So I want one person from any one category. So that is there. In all 3 group, one person is from one category. Let's see the other condition A, B and G. So A, B and G. So A, H will always be together. So the condition is A and H will always be together. Wherever here it's A, B and G. So always A and H should be together. So that's why I can directly say this answer is wrong, because A and H should be together. Let's see option number C. Let's check C. B, C and D. Okay, so B, C and D. Now I know I want all the one person from each category or from each sports. So if I say B is from athlete, C is from players and D is also from athlete. So I have no one from wrestler. So again I can say C cannot be the answer. Okay, let's check option number B now. B, E, J. So B is B, E and J. Now it's written over here, but E cannot come with B. So if E cannot come with B, again I can say B, E, J cannot be a perfect combination of players in our team. So that's why I already left with one option, that is D, E, J. It's my correct answer. Okay, so let's check if D, E, J is correct or not. So D is from athlete, E is from players and J is from wrestlers. So all 3 are from different categories. Let's take D, E and J. So I know D and E can come together, E and J can come together, and it's written A and G will always be together. Yes, E and J are together. So that's why this is a perfect combination. So here I go with elimination method, and I have taken approx 25 seconds because I'm explaining you. But if you go with more directly hit and trial, you will directly get the answer in few seconds. Okay, one more way of approaching this problem is, the hook is over here is which is acceptable team. Now I know acceptable team should always be, it's written that A and H will be together and E and J will be together. So I will only look for options where A and H will be together. A and H, no. A and H, no. A and H, no. A and H, no. No together. E and J will be together. E and J, no. E and J, no. E and J, here it's together. E and J, here it's together. So I am left with only these 2 options. So I will directly check only these 2 options. And out of checking these 2 options, I already got the A is the correct answer. So it's two way of approaching this problem. The first way I told you it takes me 30 to 40 seconds, and the second way took me only 20 seconds. So that's how you can see the problem of TCS in such kind, so that you can solve the problem if you have more accurate and more shortcut approach of solving that problem. Okay, so let's directly hit to the next question over here. Okay, before we'll move to the next question, there is one important thing, guys. You make sure you follow us on our social media handles, that is Instagram, Discord, or WhatsApp. Why it is very important, guys? Because we keep on giving some off-campus and on-campus updates on our Instagram handle. So we have different Instagram handle for different year password batch, 2023 year password batch, 24 year password batch. We have a separate Instagram handle for off-campus updates. So make sure you follow all our Instagram and WhatsApp. The link for the same is in the description of the video, so you can get the links from there and you can follow us. Okay, let's move ahead and let's solve the next question now. Okay, there is one announcement from our marketing team, guys. This is the current price. So if you are not a yet Prime subscriber, you can avail these all prices, and it's available as of now. So make sure. One more thing, guys, if you are buying a 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, 36 months, and 48 months subscription, you will get TCS and CoQ's benefit, that is the certifications. Okay, so if you are not a yet subscriber, you can subscribe, and you can also buy the TCS Prime course. Okay, let's coming back to our one most problem. So this is from blood relation, guys. So blood relation is that topic which TCS asked from the previous a lot, and this is basically symbol notation. So when we talk about symbol notation, guys, so I will also solve this problem with a bit long method, and then I'll explain you how you can solve in shortcut method also. Okay, let's directly hit to this problem. So how R is related to N in the given expression? So they have given some symbol notation like J at K means J is the K's daughter, J percent K means J is K's wife, J plus K means K is J's father, and J divided by K is J's mother. Okay, so you can go with plus and minus approach, or I will go with the symbol notation. So let's make the family chart or family tree over here. So this is my expression. So F at R. So F at R, F at J at K means J is the K's daughter. So I can say F is R's daughter. So F is R's, let me draw over here. So this is R and F is R's daughter. So I will make a circle for a female. You can make a negative sign also. It's all your understanding. So F is R's daughter. Next one, R percent I. So R percent I is R is K's wife. So R is K's wife. So R is K's wife. So if R is K's wife, so K should be a male, then only they both are couples. And this is the couple sign I'm putting over. This is the couple sign. They both are, they both are couple. Now, I divide by E. So I divide means, okay, one more thing, guys. People do mistake over here. J divide K means K is J's mother. So I divide E means E is J's mother. Okay. Or I can say E is I's mother. Okay. So first of all, this is R and I, not K. This is R and I. Yeah. So E is I divide J means E is I's mother. So E is I's mother. So if E is I's mother, this is E is female, and this is a symbol of next generation, guys. Fine. Next one, E percent N. So J is K's wife, so I can say E is N's wife. So E is N's wife, and they both are couples. Okay. Now the question over here is, how is R related to N in a given expression? So I have to look for R and I have to look for N over here. Okay, I can directly see the relation is N's son is I and I's wife is R. So I can say R is the daughter-in-law of N. So my directly answer is option number C. So this is one way of approaching this problem. Okay, which is called drawing a family tree. But if you are someone who's quite smart and who can go with options, let's try to approach this problem with a more smarter way or more shortcut way. Okay, let's see. So I have to only look for R related to N. So let me write the expression over here again. I divided by E percent N. So only I have to look for R and I have to look for N. Okay. So now only consider this statement. R percent I. So what is the meaning of percent? R is K's wife. If R is K's wife, that means R is a female person. Yes or no? That means R is a female. If R is a female, I can directly say C, B cannot be the answer. B eliminated because son-in-law is a male and male kind of a person. Okay, so mother-in-law can be possible, daughter-in-law, mother can be possible. Now next thing, R percent I divide by E. So R percent I, that means R is I is wife, and I divided by E is E is E is I's mother. Okay, if E is I's mother, now look here. If E is I's mother, that means the generation is going up. I is a son, E is I's mother, and the next relation of E with N, that means N is will be the upper hierarchy of the family. That means whatever relation of R is with N, R will be a smaller person and N will be at the higher hierarchy. You get my point? R will be at the lower hierarchy of the family tree and N will be at the higher hierarchy of the family tree. So if that is the case, I can directly say if R is related, so R will be smaller. So R cannot be mother because R should be a lower hierarchy. Mother-in-law is also not possible because R should be at lower hierarchy. The only thing left is daughter-in-law, that is the lower hierarchy to the N. So this is a shortcut way of solving the problem without drawing the family tree even. Okay, so you know how smartly these TCS people have made this question. The people who know the shortcut approach, they can solve the problem in seconds also. Okay, so let's directly hit to the next problem over here. Okay, so this problem is for basically from circular table arrangement, or which is specifically from data sufficiency. Okay, if I talk about data sufficiency, guys, this is the foremost topic which TCS ask a lot. Data sufficiency, they can ask any topic in this particular topic. Okay, so let's directly hit to this problem. A, B, C, D, E sits around a circular table facing the center, not necessarily in that order. Now, who sits second to the right of D? Now, this is my problem. Who sits second to the right of D? Now, let's see the very first statement. A sits the immediate right of E. So, very first thing in a circular arrangement is we'll make a circle and we'll make 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, there is a rule in circular arrangement. Whenever we are going anti-clockwise means right direction and clockwise means left direction. Understood? Okay, let's see. So A sits the immediate right of E. Immediate right of E is A. So if this is A, immediate right of E is A. So right will be anti-clockwise. So this is E. That's how A is the immediate right of A, because I know anti-clockwise is right. So A is the immediate right of E, who is not the neighbor of D. Now this who stands for the person who is before the comma, that is E. So E is not the neighbor of D. So that means I can say D cannot come over here, because that's the only position left where D cannot come. So D cannot come over here. Now my question over here is, who sits second to the right of D? I don't know D will come over here or D will come over here. So I cannot answer using the first statement alone. Okay, let's use the second statement. Now B is to the immediate left of D. Now B is to the immediate left of D. I know D cannot come over here. So if B is to the immediate left of D, so left means clockwise. So B is immediate left of D. So if this is D, B is the immediate left. If this is D, this will be B, because left means clockwise. Now, can I answer now who sits second to the right of D? Yes, D is here, and second to the right means anti-clockwise. I know it's E. Fine. So I can answer using both the statement together. So my answer should be option number B. If the data in both the statement first and two together are necessary to answer the question. So whenever you are going with data sufficiency problem, guys, make sure first fill the first statement, see are you able to answer the problem or not. Then go with second statement alone. Then see are you able to answer the problem or not. Then you combine both the statement and then see are you able to answer the problem or not. And accordingly you will take the correct option. Okay, cool. Let's move forward now. Okay, which is the wrong term in the following series? Okay, guys, so this is alphabetical series. Her, HER, JGT, LIV, NKX, PMY. So this is one of the crucial topic which comes in TCS a lot. That is the alphanumeric or alphanumeric series. Why? Because this alphanumerical series leads more logical thinking. So that's why maybe addition, subtraction, this kind of operation will be there. Okay, let's see directly. So let me write it over here. HER, JGT, LIV, NKX, and PMY. Okay, let's directly try to solve. So there can be two kind of logics. One logic will be there can be a logic inside the group of the alphabets, or there can be logic in alternate groups of alphabets. maybe the first alphabet will have some logic with the first alphabet. So let's see. HIJK. So I can say +1 will give me J. J +1. KL. MNOP. So I can say +1. Logic is satisfying. Let's see the second statement. Second alphabet. EFG. HIJK. LM. Again +1. So again satisfying. Let's take the last one. So R, ST, UV, WX. It should be Y and Z, but this is wrong. It should be Z. So my last group of alphabet is wrong. So that means this is the odd one out, P, M, Y. So I can directly say option number C is my that answer. So this next problem is from letter cluster series. So again, you can pause the video for a second or two and you can try this problem. I hope so. Now I have solved 5 to 6 questions and now you people are in a pace. So you can solve this problem. It's an easy problem. Pause the video for a minute and try this problem. Okay, let's see. So in each of the 4 pair of letter cluster, the letter in the second term are rearranged. Transformed form of the letters has been put together in a particular pattern. Now, in which of 2 pairs has the transformation has been done in the same way? So basically, in these options, there are 2 options where the transformation of letters are of the same type. So you have to identify those 2 same options. So there are many ways of solving this problem, but the best way or the shortcut way of solving this problem is going with the option. You go with the option, eliminate the wrong option, and you get the right option in the very first. Okay, let's see how. So let's take option number D. Any option you can choose. Let's go with option number D. So it's saying C and D will be having the same kind of a transformation. Let's see. So C is saying DEF and this D went to the last place. And option number D, G is at the first place and G is the first place. So can I say it's the same logic? No, because D should be at the last place or G should be at the last place. So C and D cannot be having the same transformation. Let's check C. A and B. So A is RE. This RE went to the second last 2 positions. Second last position or second third positions. So this SY. Okay, I can say REL. Whole REL. All 3 letters went to last. SYS, SYS. All 3 letters went to last. Now ATE came to first. TEM came to first. Yes, these 2 are having the same logic. So I directly got my answer A and B as the right answer. So if you check option number A and B, again you'll get these 2 are the wrong options. So this is the best way of approaching this problem because you will waste your time finding which 2 will have the same logic. It's better to go with option, check which 2 options are having the same logic and directly eliminate those options which are wrong and just go with the right option. Okay, cool. Let's move forward and let's see the next problem now. Okay, so this problem is from statement and conclusion. That is, the sale of smart TVs has increased by 20% in this financial year. So I have seen students facing a lot of problems, statement and conclusion. Why? Because this section is particularly more about understanding the statement and then coming to a particular assumption or a conclusion. So people find difficulty solving this problem. If you are someone you're also finding difficulty in statement conclusion, I can give you one short solution. This is a particular dashboard. So this is Prime website you can see on your screen. So I would suggest you, if you want to practice more such questions of if you are someone who is facing problem in statement conclusion, go to this TCS NQT or particularly to this logical section of Prime, where you can practice same kind of questions. We have theory lectures where we have explained how you have to understand this statement. What kind of you don't have to take assumptions from your own. You only have to take those assumptions which are given in the statement, and then you have to come to the conclusion. Okay, so we have cleared all those shortcuts and short tricks in the theory lectures. Then we have the video lectures. Then we have quizzes for your practice. So you can practice from here also. Coming back again, guys, you can pause the video, try to solve this, and let's come to the correct answer. You can also comment down and let's see which all are getting the correct answer. So the sale of smart TV has increased by 20% in the financial year. So I told you, whenever you are doing statement conclusion, just only see the statement. Don't assume assumptions from your own. Whatever data is given in the statement, according to that, you have to come to the conclusion or the assumption. And they have given 2 assumptions already. That is, there was hardly any sale of smart TV in the previous year. Or second one is, smart TV has been introduced this year. So, okay, let's see. So the sale of smart TV has increased by 20% in this financial year. Now the statement have given me only the data, that is a smart TV sale have increased by 20% and in this financial year. So let me highlight the information which they have given. They have given information that sale about smart TV increased by 20% this financial year. Beside this, they have not given any other further information. So I don't have to assume any other information on my own. And let's come to the assumptions now. Now, the first assumption is there was hardly any sale of smart TV in the previous year. Can I assume the sale was not there in the previous year? That's why the sale got increased by 20% this year. I cannot assume this because my statement will not letting me assume this, that though the sale increased this year, but this doesn't mean that the sale was not there the previous year. Okay, so this assumption I cannot take from my own. Second one, smart TV has been introduced this year. Can I assume this? The sale increased 20% because the reason is the smart TV has been introduced this year. No, I cannot assume this. This cannot be only one scenario because of which the sale got increased. There can be other reasons also, but how can I assume this is the only reason that the sale increased because the smart TV has introduced this year? No. So that's why this is also wrong. So the only one thing you have to look for here is the statement, the data which is given. Only have to analyze that data, and then I have to see the assumptions and see which one is correct. So my correct answer is neither one nor second, implicit. Okay, cool. Okay, let's move forward now. Okay, so 5 persons A, B, C, D are comparing the number of books which they have bought recently. A bought more number of books than C and E, but not highest. B bought more number of books than exactly one person. Then which of the following bought the highest number of books? So let's start this problem. I hope so you have paused the video and you have solved it. And let's check your answer is correct or not. Okay, so they have given 5 persons A, B, C, D, E comparing the number of books which they have bought recently. So there is one thing about arrangement question is you have to look for the direct clue, or you can say the direct statement which is giving me the accurate data about the positioning of that person. Okay, so suppose there are 5, they have given 5 people are there, A, B, C, D, E. Now I only have to look for that particular clue which is giving me the exact position of that person. Okay, let's see. So A bought more number of books than C and E. So let's write this data. A bought more number of books than C and E. I know A bought more number of books than C and E, but among C and E, I don't know who is having the more number of books. But this much data I know till now. Second one, but not the highest. So A is not having the highest number of books. Means A cannot be at the first position. A cannot have the highest number of books. Second one, B bought more number of books than exactly one person. Now tell me guys, is this a direct clue or not? Yes, this is a direct clue because they have given B bought more number of books than exactly one person. That means B will be at the 4th position in the order of number of books because he is exactly more than one person. So suppose if I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and this person is having the heaviest number of books, so I can say B is having the second last more number of books because B is one more than the one person, exactly one person. Now let's see other data. Now they have given A is not the highest one. If A is not the highest one and A is having more number of books than C and E, so that means A is here, or C can here, or E can be here, or C can here, or E can be here, because I know A is more than C and E, but if C is more than E or E is more than C, that I don't know. So that's why I put a slash over here that C can come over here or E can come. Again, C can come here or E can come. But I am damn sure that A will be at the 2nd position. So I know there are how many people? 5 people, and I'm left with only D. So D will be at the 1st position. So my question over here is, which of the following bought the highest number of books? So I can directly say D is the one who bought the highest number of books. So without even knowing the position of 3rd and the 5th, I can come to my answer. That is option number B, that is D. So that's how guys you solve the particular kind of problem of data arrangement. Okay, move forward. Let's move forward to the next problem now. Okay, so syllogism problem guys. So some people solve this particular problem from tick and cross. Some people solve it from Venn and diagram. So whatever approach you are going with, make sure if you are someone who don't know the tick and cross method, so we have particularly made tick and cross theory lectures for syllogism topic. Okay guys, now let's see the next problem that is from syllogism. So let's see. So all fishes are trees, all trees are bushes, and the conclusions are some bushes are trees and some fishes are not bushes. So guys, whenever you are solving the syllogism problem, you can go with tick and cross method and you can go with Venn diagram method. Let's solve with Venn diagram. So all fishes are trees. So suppose these are fishes. So all the fishes comes under trees. Fine. All the fishes are trees. Now let's see the second statement. All trees are bushes. So all the trees comes under bushes. Fine. Now let's see. Conclusions are some bushes are trees. Is some part of bushes are trees? Yes, some part. Surely this part of bushes are trees. So I can say first conclusion is correct. Now some fishes are not bushes. Guys, all the fishes are bushes. There is no part of fish which is not bushes. So second is wrong. So I can say only first conclusion is following. Okay. So if you can go with tick and cross also. All fishes are. So let me solve. So tick, cross, tick and cross. What is the middle term? Middle term is trees. So my answer should be all fishes are bushes. Okay. So all fishes are bushes or bushes are trees. Yeah, correct. So all bushes are trees, correct. Yes, let's move forward now. Next one. Okay, arrange the following words in the most meaningful order. Okay, guys, this is basically from ordering of the particular, words in some order, or it should be, in a I can say chronological order of happening of things, maybe size of the things. This way we have to approach this particular problem. Okay, so specifically, people do have doubt, while solving this problem because they don't know what kind of logics are there in this particular kind of problem. So arrange the following words in the most meaningful order. So it's better to go with the options. So let's take option number maybe D. So 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. So 5 is application, 4 is advertisement. So first advertisement will happen, then I will fill the application. So again, this is wrong. Let's check C. 5 into application and result. So I will apply for the thing and I'll get result directly. No, again, this is wrong. Let's check B. 5 is application, 4 is advertisement. Again, guys, application I will do after advertisement. So again, this is wrong. Let's check A. So 4 is advertisement, then 5th is application. Okay, so first I'll see the advertisement, then I'll apply for that particular thing. Then I will give the exam, then the result will come, and then I'll take the admission. So this should be the order of happening of things. So this is a particular logic over here. So my correct answer is option number A, 4, 5, 3 and 2. So guys, these kind of problems, these are the topics which I've included here now. So make sure these topics should be on your tips: data arrangement, data sufficiency, blood relation, alphanumeric series, alphabetical series, order of finding the meaningful order of words, syllogisms, statement collection, statement conclusion, selection, decision table. These all topics should be on your tips, guys. Okay, guys, now let's talk about Prepinsta Prime, which is having 150 plus courses under one subscription, which is like Netflix. Okay, so starting from the courses like popular skills like cyber security, ethical hacking, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Popular language like C, C++, Java, and Python. Okay, if you go down, you will see the whole Flash Aptitude course. Also, I would suggest you, if you go down, you can see the interview experience course also. Okay, or if you are someone who is dedicatedly preparing for TCS specific, so let me show you. Here we have a TCS specific course, that is TCS NQT and TCS Digital, which is having previous year's question. This is 175 plus hours course, which is purely dedicated to TCS. Okay guys, if you are someone who is not good at programming skills, you are from non-CSIT branch, mechanical or EE, so I would suggest you should first start preparing from basic basic popular languages like C or C++ and data structure. Later on, for advanced coding section, you should start preparing from this data structure. You can prepare in any language like C, C++, Java or Python. After then, you should move to the intermediate coding part and the competitive coding part, because TCS asks coding questions, advanced coding questions, and this will help you a lot. Okay, talking about the advanced coding section for TCS NQT. So guys, last time TCS asked 2 advanced coding questions which got repeated from code beta part. So this is the place from where you can practice those same kind of questions. Same goes for aptitude, guys. So here we have a full flash course for aptitude, which is TCS NQT specific. Let me show you that also. So yeah, from here you can practice TCS NQT specific problems and TCS detailed problems which came in previous year. That's all, guys. Make sure you do check Prep Insta Prime. The link for the same in the description of the video. Okay guys, so let's see. So before ending the session, guys, make sure you follow all our social media handles, that is Instagram, Discord, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. So make sure you follow our Instagram handle, that is especially 2023 year Instagram handle, because we keep on giving updates for different companies like Amazon is hiring, Cisco is hiring, TCS is hiring, and different Infosys is hiring. So all those updates. So make sure you follow our 2023 year Instagram handle. The link for the same in the description of the video. One more thing, guys, make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, because we keep on coming live and you'll get all the updates whenever we are coming live, guys. Thank you so much. Now the team will play a cool trailer for you.
We have a tailored course on how to crack any exam of TCS, be it the TCS NQT or the Ninja, Digital, or even the Code Beta. And the best thing is we cover each and every minor topic that could be asked, be it aptitude, reasoning, verbal, or coding, or data interpretation. We got it all covered. Talking about aptitude, we start with a basic topic as number system, as well as we cover complex topics such as elementary statistics, which is a new addition to TCS and is very important, and even data interpretation. In the verbal section, we teach students on how to ace the comprehension part, and also we make them know the very basics of English grammar, which is necessary to crack the verbal section of TCS. The coding section also contains the required logic of programming like DSA, trees, graphs, as well as we offer the programs which are frequently asked in the exam in our top 100 coding questions. Students can revise what they have learned using the Prep Insta mock assignments and tests, which are also a part of the course. When we say Prime, we do intend to give the Prime experience for all our students. We offer complimentary live classes, mock quizzes, and we cover every aspect of the TCS interview, be it the HR interview or the technical interview. It is a complete all-in-one package. Student can also check the interview experience section, which offers real-time interview experiences of freshers who have cracked the TCS interview and exams from the first-hand experience. We have material which crosses over 100 hours of learning just for TCS. So what are you waiting for? Get the Prime experience today.